Hey there, McAllister here with Toasty DIY, and today we are taking a look at an IQUNIX keyboard. They've sent us over another one, and we actually have another one on the way. So this one, for those who are interested, is the A80 with the TTC speed silvers. This particular one is labeled the Explorer. So it's an 80% keyboard, it has 83 keys on it. It does have RGB backlighting. I believe it's got up to 7 different modes, and it can do over like 7 million different colors. So let's go ahead and get into that unboxing footage and take a look at it. Alrighty, now that we've unboxed everything, we have the keyboard here. I'm going to set the DJI mic behind the keyboard and give you a good sound test. We might even set it somewhere different. Let's see. Let's frame up here, and this looks good. All right, now that we've done the plant, I'm gonna do one right down around here, just so we can see and hear the difference. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and get some power for this thing. We're gonna see what the lighting looks like. All right, so I got you all set up on Ronin now, and we're just looking at that keyboard and kind of seeing the basic RGB of it all. So this is the mode number 1. It's not the brightest, to be honest. I had to change the white balance on this a ton, but it is very, very nice looking. So there are different modes we can find if we go to function home. There's like all red, and let's get you all framed up so you can see everything a little more. There's like a breathing, all green. It's gonna be like on tap. I think I'll probably go with this one, but here's the levels of brightness. It's 3 levels then kind of gone. So that's what you got working with. All right, so now what we're gonna do is take a look at the switches. So I think I have a tool around here, but we can just go for the escape key. I'm pretty sure I can just pop that out real quick. All right, actually let me turn the lights back on to give this camera a chance at seeing that with the LED straight in its face. This is the TTC silver right there with RGB. You see that little top part. These are hot swappable if you are interested in moving any keys out. It does come with a few keys if you do want to change out. They do give you a set to do that. But this has been just a quick little review of the IQUNIX A80, the Explorer model. We'll have another one in next week or so. We'll do another sound test, and thank you all for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe. We'll have a link for these keyboards down below. So thank you, and peace out.